Gonna do a real quick video on the Tsudo exhaust for the 09 through 14 TSX. It's actually a really nice exhaust. I've had it over a year. It still looks really nice. The tips are, nothing's rusted. Everything was polished. I mean, I'd get on there and polish it, but who would do that? It actually goes all the way up to the header. It replaced one of the resonators, maybe even two of them. I can't really recall. But it sounds extremely good. I'm very happy with it. Normally Hondas have like a weird rasp, but this one does not. I'm trying to figure here how I'm going to do the sound clip for you guys without my camera falling over. That would suck. Remember, there's two sides of this, so let's do it. I don't have a tune yet, so you can only rev it to like 39 and 4,000 RPM, and it does a huge fuel cut at that point. So maybe I'll do one driving.